The 27th of July, we're just putting some cover crops into a winter barley stubble. We haven't used this Missouri rake very much yet. It's got a stocked seeder on it. Seems to be going all right. It's disturbing the soil a bit. Bit of mustard seed there, I think. What have we got in here? We've got a bit of mustard, a bit of phacelia, a bit of linseed, a bit of tillage radish, a bit of volunteer barley there, which we'll get. Was there something else in there? Linseed, phacelia, stubble, radish and mustard. Yeah, that was it. A 4-way mix. I didn't really want to put any legumes in here because I've just got a feeling I might undersow this with clover next year when it's down to spring oats, hopefully. So hopefully we'll get a cover crop of this. We'll leave this down till mid-January sometime because it probably might well be on our stewardship scheme yet. But anyway, I think that's going all right. I was hoping it would just spread out a bit of this trash from behind the combine and the baler a bit, which it is doing a bit, and it'll just mix it with a bit of soil and help it to rot down. So hopefully it's making a good job. Just watching go past one day once more, and then I was hoping I might go and combine a bit of rape this afternoon. I've had a bit of rain and drizzle the last few days and the rape was hardly ready anyway, so we'll maybe go and have a look and see what it's like this afternoon. It's hard to know how much the discs are supposed to do on this machine. Bumpy for Sam on the tracks, but actually the machine seems to ride really quite well, so hopefully alright. It's the 29th of July. Seth and I, get down dog, what are you doing? Seth and I are just combining some oilseed rape. It's conventional, so it isn't organic. We've swapped it this year for a change. The main reason for that was because I wanted to direct drill some wheat into here. I wasn't that fussed about spraying it twice with Roundup. But yeah, it seems to succeed very well in there. Need to clean the glass. It's coming off, I think, as far as I can tell, just under 9%. It's been a bit drizzly the last day or two, so it sort of held us off a bit, which maybe isn't a bad thing. Just me. Got a trailer at the end of the field. So anyway, I'll maybe film more later on. Christopher combining. How's it going, Christopher?
It's going well.
Just remember how to pull out at the end and slow down. Oh, he's got the hang of this. Sonny's bringing a drink. I think harvest 2020 is just about to start. It's beautiful. Frightening, maybe. Good looking rye. Beautiful stuff.